Hi, mi nome es Neder José Rodríguez. For this unit 3, please for the learned sheet, I will to explain the case file. So today is 20th of November of 2021. The case name is Facebook. This is mi conceptual math problem facet by Facebook in the case study. Employees deception as one minister faces Facebook case. What is it? Facebook is an American social media conglomerate based in Menlo Park, California. Facebook is a popular global social media web system. Facebook is one of the most valuable companies in the world. It is considered one of the big five technology companies along with Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and Google. Facebook offers other products and services. Major social media platforms include Facebook Messenger, Facebook WhatsApp, and Facebook Portal. It has also acquired Instagram and WhatsApp. The problems: Facebook classifies employees would label as regrettable or not regrettable. At Blackie's team, where many companies do not want to employ people workers on Facebook decreases the probability of offer of other top-tier Silicon Valley companies. So what are your causes? 1. Employees think it is a bad company with disqualifying comments from its owners. What are your consequences? The Facebook company loses credibility, employee deception to other competing companies. 2. The bad treatment and little appreciation of workers who only wait for the opportunity to leave the company. We put this a bit negative consequences of their resume. Your consequence: people are not interested in working for Facebook. 3. But strategic direction is there of in management and organization of the most important resources, the human factor. Your consequences: these causes mark losses and the evolution of the year's challenge. Inability to make decisions to conserve its human workforce and avoid the loss of intellectual capital. The full attention. Goodbye.